How to fix Snapchat Spotlight not working. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix if your Snapchat Spotlight isn't loading or showing blank videos. And even if your clips won't upload, here's how you can fix it. First thing first, check your internet connection. Go to your notification panel or your control panel. Just toggle between your Wi-Fi or mobile data. And once you have done that, choose either one of them and see if that fixes the issue. If this spotlight still won't load, then you need to force close Snapchat and completely reopen it to refresh your sessions. Long press on Snapchat, tap on the I button, and you'll find something called Force Stop down below. Tap on it, tap on OK, and you should be able to completely restart Snapchat from there. Once you do that, you can go over to Snapchat and see if your spotlight works. You should be good to go. If that still doesn't fix it, then go over to the same app info. Make sure you go to permissions. And from here, make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And finally, go back, go to storage, tap on clear cache, and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.